the working class and on the economy of the country. Now, they put the idea that there is a false dilemma that exists with the debate. Actually, they put the false dilemma on the motion, questioning that the burden should not come from one or to the other, but should be divided. Once again, everyone, we should not question the motion. We should consider to question only the arguments or the matters presented by the other house. Now, I want to continue that actually their house would give us arguments stating that students have fixed allowances. Where is the basis for that? How can we really claim that it is true? Fixed allowances, even parents can add on. And they claim that there is this case that students have to pay for what we call this meals, necessities, and what so. Are drivers not accounted to also the same situation? Because looking at it, the drivers also have this thing called maintenance costs, franchise costs, and many more. As we can see it, these drivers are actually, most of them, breadwinners of their family. Why do they act as drivers? Because they need to sustain their families and themselves, a matter that is not considered by the opposition. They try to push through the idea that the actual case here is that the students does not have income. But obviously they have parents. But in the case of the drivers, we need to consider the fact that they are the breadwinners, that they take in the necessity of not only themselves but also their family. Everyone, they are stating that, let me claim this. Directly that the DLO, their second speaker, pointed out that our house claimed that the drivers are the only ones that are vulnerable. But we never stated that. It's as clear as that our policy even stands for the case of having the government to subsidize the necessity of blocking the idea of pushing students to pay a higher cost, as well as on the consideration of the driver's necessities. Everyone, if you cannot even comprehend the case on the necessity of the drivers, then it's actually, in terms of the weight, there's no weight that comes with the side of the opposition's argument. Let me point this out. If they suspend the excise tax in terms of, given the oil prices increase, how long will this occur? Because it does not have any substance at all. But let me just continue this. As that in the case of the students, okay, let's consider the side of the opposition as they claim that there is this false dilemma in the motion. How about we see this in the position of the students? Okay, let's consider the allowance of the students. Do you think that the allowance for what these public transportation drivers earn is enough for them to actually live a normal life? Maybe, maybe not. As something that we should consider or hear from the opposition side. Now, let me summarize this debate. Actually, the government emphasizes on the transportation strike. This emphasis not only affects the students, but also the economy and of the working class. The government also emphasizes on the maintenance costs